All right, it is early November 2023, and I received an ad on Facebook for online mega sale furniture, a website basically pretending to be IKEA. And it goes to furnitureonlinesale.com, and it will only load on mobile for some reason. It claims that everything must be sold 70 to 90% off, and it says that it's coming from IKEA, store closings, clearance sales, unbeatable prices, etc., etc. And it's basically just scammers pretending to be IKEA, trying to get your money. And, whenever I looked this up at first, I saw that these ads were running on Facebook, on Instagram, on Audience Network, on Messenger, and that was not very reassuring. And so while I am making this video, even though you cannot see it, I am going to go to furnitureonlinesale.com on my phone instead of on my computer because I can't go on my computer. And it does have an IKEA logo, and you can see it there. That's probably what it looked like for you, right? And so it's got the IKEA logo, 70, 90% off. You probably couldn't really see that, and it was mirrored, but you understand. Summer sale, Nestle Chase lounge with dual cup holders and charging ports, only $36. Way too good to be true. Let's go down to the contact us page because I'm curious if it's going to have similar information to other scam websites I've seen. Service at furnitureonlinesale.com. Okay. What about us? On the About Us page, I don't see much information here. I see information about the founding of IKEA, but the scam website, I don't see much here. And so basically, this website's pretending to be IKEA. You can see here, in fact, I'll zoom in if I can. It's not going to let me. You can see here that it's got the IKEA logo at the top left. And, someone who might not look up at their address bar might think they're on the IKEA website and that they really do have a sale. Before you know it, they made a purchase. They've given away their information, their credit card information, that is, their personal information to scammers. And in that case, you want to get out of the scam, obviously. So you need to contact your credit card company, ask them, what can you do to reverse charges, to block future charges? And so, this is an IKEA scam. Scammers are pretending to be IKEA, 70, 90% off. And what you need to do after you've, been able to contact your credit card company, make sure you don't get any future charges. Let me know down in the comments below. Did you actually receive anything in the mail if you did get scammed? And if you did, what did you get? I'm very curious about that. It claims Black Friday sale alert as well, by the way. And I'm trying to make this video here late at night. So if I don't have it all together, you understand, hopefully. And yeah, that's basically it. So avoid this. This is not IKEA. These are scammers, likely in China, pretending to be IKEA. In fact, I can figure out whether or not it is scammers in China. furnitureonlinesale.com. I'm typing into godaddy.com/whois. And it looks like this was registered on psi-usa.info, which is a very interesting domain registrar, which that website is located in Germany, it appears. So it's coming from scammers who appeared to register their domain on a German domain registrar. It doesn't mean they're in Germany, but it's not surprising that this is likely coming from outside the US, basically. And so Chronon.net. And then where was that registered? Okay, no information about, Germany. So this appears to maybe be coming from Germany, but it's probably not coming from the US. And so that's what this is. If you do value these kind of videos like the one I'm making right now, late at night, then hit the like button down below, the thumbs up button. That will tell Google and YouTube my video has value and credibility. Off to the right of the like button is a thanks button. If you would like to give something back to me for saving you from being scammed or helping you get out of being scammed, that information will be in the pinned comment down below. Check that out. And basically this holiday season, Thanksgiving, Christmas, all the way through, the after Christmas sales and all that, watch out for scams because Meta allows scams in their ads on Facebook and Instagram. And there are going to be a lot of scammers pretending to be a lot of American brands in ads on Facebook and Instagram to get your money. So always do your research. Always make sure you're on the website that it says you're on. If it has an IKEA logo, are you on IKEA.com? If you're not, it's not IKEA, right? So be very careful out there. Hit the like button, thanks button, check out the pinned comment especially. And, that's it. If something out there seems way too good to be true, an online offer seems way too good to be true, it probably is, right? That's it. Thanks for watching.